Free instructions. Okay, so we have the parts laid out here. We have the printed list, and we're just gonna put things together now. Now, I didn't have quite all the parts in the colors that I needed, or the correct parts. So I kind of just went with the flow and used whatever I had available. And that's okay, because that's Lego, right? You can do whatever you want. Within the building limits, of course. So, I didn't have black, so I used some gray brick here. But I mean, it's okay because it's just on the back side of him and it looks like his shirt. So that's alright with me. Now, this one here, the double-faced studs on the side, this should be a single 1x1 brick with a recessed stud on the side to set in the white slopes, cheese slopes in. But I didn't have that, so you should have two of them, but if you don't, you can use the double studs on the front, which I did here. And it just sticks them out a little bit further, but that's okay. And then we built the legs and bottom half of Mr. Vampire, and then we stick the top half on, and then we just go ahead and build his back cape, which is pretty simple and straightforward. We're just using some angled plates. Now the top ones, they were 4x2s angled, but they should have been a 3x2, so they wouldn't be quite as tall and go right up to the top of his head. But that's okay, because that's our creation. It doesn't have to be exactly as the instructions are. And there we go, Mr. Vampire. Alright, good job, great. Doesn't he look fantastic? So you can see those little white ones sticking a little bit. I think it gives us some character that he's puffed out his chest a little bit. And he's got an extra long cape sticking up behind his head as well. So that is rather unique and cool. And now you can see where the gray bricks were that we used. This should have been black, but once again, it defines his arms. So it's totally up to you what you use. I just kind of like it the way I built it, but you know, to each his own type of thing. So that's the little build that Lego out, and here's the instruction pages, and they are in the video here for 15 seconds each, so you can pause and grab the snapshot of that page and build from there. So hope you do enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe at the end of the video.